Welcome to PureEHR. How to use Rcopia. To add medications and allergies, the patient must be registered to Rcopia, and for that, the basic information of the patient is required, like the patient's date of birth, zip code, sex, and address. If all these details are not added to the patient, then you cannot add medications and allergies to the patient. Let us create a patient. Let us first not enter the details that are mandatory for Rcopia. In the patient chart, it will show an alert message that the required details for the Rcopia are missing. Now, when you try to add medications by clicking on the plus medication button, Rcopia will not allow you to add the medications. Now let us add the mandatory details into the patient demographics. Click on the Save button. You will see that the alert message from the patient chart is no longer visible because the details that were required to register the patient into the Rcopia are now added. Now go to the medications. You will see that no medications have been added at the moment. To add medications, click on the plus medication button. The system will allow you to add medications and allergies. You will be directed to Rcopia, from where you can add medications, allergies, can write a prescription, and can also add a pharmacy. To add the medication, search for a drug from the search box. Let us add a medication called Tylenol. Enter the information regarding the medication selected. Now click on the Add button and your medication will be added to Rcopia. Let us enter another medication. Click on the Stop Medication icon, which means that the medication is inactive medication. Click on the Show Inactive Medication button to view inactive medication. You can carry out various operations, like you can edit the medication by clicking here. Can also delete the medication, renew it, stop the end date, etc. To add allergies, click on the plus button. Let's say that the allergen is dry eye. The reaction is dry skin. And the severity is mild. Now, enter the onset date and then click on the Save button. Let us add another allergy. Now click on the three dots and click on the Make Inactive to make an allergy as an inactive allergy. To view inactive allergies, click on the filters and check the inactive. Now to add problems, click on the Add Diagnosis button. Select the ICD code system and then add the problem. You can also mark the problem as your favorite by clicking on the star icon. Now click on the problem to add the onset date. and then click on the OK button. Your problem has been added successfully. The problems added from the software are listed here in the Rcopia, and the problems added from Rcopia will also be added to the software. To create a prescription, click on the Create New Rx button. Enter the drug name in the search box, select the drug and then click on the Prescribe Anyway button. Enter the details. And now click on the Review button. Now click on the Save Pending Rx and your prescription for that particular medication is created. Now go back to the software. Go to the Medication tab and click on the Fetch button. The medication will be fetched to the software from Rcopia. Now to view the inactive medications, click on the Show Inactive Medication checkbox. To view the detailed information on the medication, click on the View icon under the Action column. Similarly, problems and allergies can be fetched to the software. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video.